Okay, let's look at the second type of progression with the single implement, tempo. By focusing on time under tension, that is what's going to make your muscles grow. So by slowing everything down, going down and up, we're going to increase the time under tension. So again, let's take a look at the goblet squat. So we got the weight up here. We're going to go a 4 count down and a 4 count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was just 2 reps, but I'm already feeling it and nothing changed except my tempo. So that was for the goblet squat. Let's take a look at the dumbbell curl. Same exact principle, whether you were 2 hands or 1 hand, by slowing your tempo down, you're going to increase that time under tension. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. Slow things down, keep those muscles under tension, and progress.